10 steps to create your video script for beginners. Videos tell a story. Whether you're writing an original video script or using a video script template, your script is essential to that story. And videos are powerful selling tools. 0.92% of marketers say that video is central to their marketing strategy. A video script contains the dialogue, plans, and action for your video. It's a crucial tool that gives you and your team cues and reminders about the goal, timeline, and results you want for your video. How to write a video script. How to write a video script. Get started with free video script templates. Videos tell a story. Whether you're writing an original video script or using a video script template, your script is essential to that story. Using a video script template, a marketing team starts shooting a video. And videos are powerful selling tools. 0.92% of marketers say that video is central to their marketing strategy. Access now. Video Marketing Starter Pack, free kit. But creating videos can be intimidating. It's complicated whether you're a writer, marketer, or movie producer. There are many steps to planning, editing, and producing videos, and each step is important. Writing an effective video script can mean the difference between video success and failure. This post will show you how to write an effective script for your videos. Are you ready to get started? What is a video script? A video script contains the dialogue, plans, and action for your video. It's a crucial tool that gives you and your team cues and reminders about the goal, timeline, and results you want for your video. Even the most basic video will be better with a video script. Creating a video is complex. Most video projects include lighting, sound, sets, cast and crew, equipment. Each of these elements can be tricky to execute, and when they combine, it's easy for mistakes to happen. But your script will include details that make the process run smoothly. A video script is vital to help your team prepare for and organize the video making process. Plus, you and your team will be more confident and produce a better video with a comprehensive script. 1. Create a powerful beginning. You have more viewers during the first 10% of your video than at any other time. So, your top goal when writing a video script is to hook viewers at the beginning so that they keep watching until the end. Use the first few lines to introduce the main character or narrator and what the audience is going to learn by the end of the video. You can offer in-depth details later in your video. 2. Be concise. When it comes to marketing, shorter videos tend to be more compelling than longer videos. In fact, 68% of people said they'd rather learn about new products and services through a short video, according to a survey by WiseOwl. To make short videos, you need a short script. Don't write a script any longer than 2 pages. If you can keep it to 1 page, even better. The result is a video that's succinct, engaging, and allows for a simple editing process. 3. Write in short paragraphs. Time is important when you're writing a script. If you're reading at an average pace, you'll cover about 2 words per second. Short paragraphs make it easier to understand the timing of your script as you write and edit it. They also make it easier to use a teleprompter. So, try to keep your paragraphs to 3 to 4 sentences at most. 4. Choose your target audience. Any marketing project is better with the right buyer persona. This is especially true with video. Because videos often take more time and investment than an online ad or blog, it's important that your video speaks to a specific audience. So, before you start developing characters or a brief for your video, you need to figure out who your video is for. Your target audience for your video script can impact the length and format of your video, where you post your video setting, costume, and lighting. If your video is for brand awareness, you may be broadcasting to a large and diverse audience. But what if you're introducing a product or feature? In that case, you'll want to focus your audience on the buyers that are most likely to feel the pain point your product solves. 5. Set a goal for your video script. Videos are usually team projects. Without a single focus, every person could come to the video with their own idea of what it's about. As the project continues, this can turn a simple video into a convoluted mess. That's why it's important to start your video script by just thinking about your goal. So, before you jump into a storyline, character, or setting, figure out the why. Is it because you're breaking into a new niche? A product video on the right social media platform for this niche might be right. Do users need better instructions? You might want to add a product tour or instructional video to your website. 6. Choose the main character for your video. Video marketing helps you show your viewers what your product can do instead of telling them, and characters are essential to storytelling. Choosing the main character for your video before you begin your script will help you focus on telling a story, not just selling an idea. This will help your audience connect and engage with your video. You may already know that your main character is your ideal customer or your CEO. They could be a celebrity, a cartoon of your product, or a narrator who speaks in your brand voice. But if not, before you start writing your video script, decide who will be the focus of your video. If you don't know who your main character is, go back to your goal and target audience. Think about who your buyer persona wants to hear from as they reach that stage of their journey. 7. Create a brief. Creating a brief allows you and your team to document the answers to the most important project questions. This helps everyone involved understand the who, what, when, where, and why of your video. Say you're 3/4 of the way through the editing process. If your boss or colleague wants to completely redo half of your video, that's a huge problem. Challenges like this can impact your budget, timing, and campaigns. But with a brief, you can refer to the goals and project plan your team mapped out together, and say, actually, that's not what we agreed to. Then, you can move forward. Focus on your goals, topic, and takeaways in your brief. A brief doesn't have to be fancy, nor does it have to follow a specific formula. But there are several key questions it should include to craft an effective video script. 8. Use your brief to write an outline. Once you've picked a topic and written a brief, it's time to start constructing your video script. We recommend starting with an outline to give structure to your video script. This way, you can break your video into subtopics and decide how your dialogue will progress. Are you basing your video script on a blog? You can't just rewrite a blog post and call it a day. There's a specific way to write a blog-based script so that it shapes an effective video. 9. Start writing your script, section by section. Your video script doesn't have to be fancy. You're not trying to submit this script for any awards, its purpose is strictly functional. A good script makes it easy for the people on camera to get their messages across while sounding and acting naturally. Write conversationally. Writing a script isn't the same as writing a college paper or marketing research report. You want to write the script how you want the video subject to speak. 10. Edit your video script. Writing is tough, and it's easy to get stuck if you expect your video script to be perfect on your first draft. It's worth doing 2 to 3 rounds of edits to cut any unnecessary words in your writing. These are a few more tips for editing your script so that the video script can make your final video shine. Give yourself a break. Step away from your script after you write it, and don't go back until you can look at it from a fresh perspective. 8. Do a verbal run-through off camera. Now that you know how to write a script, it's time for a table read. This is the part where you practice bringing your script to life on camera. Why practice? Because some words look great on paper, but once you read them aloud, they just don't sound right. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.